Are you ready? Because I'm about to blow your mind. Seriously, the first time I did this trick myself, it blew my mind, and I am super stoked to be able to show you how to do this. You do not need to go to these worthless, expensive websites in order to pay for a subscription so that you can create a custom URL for your YouTube channel or your website. Now, what I'm going to show you today is exactly how to do that step by step. I'm going to show you a special trick on that. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best way that you can go about using this trick in order to promote your channel or your website or whatever it is. So stay tuned until the end, because this is going to be probably the most valuable video that you watch today. If it blows your mind, hit that like button so that we can keep track of how many people's minds are blown as a result of this. Let's have a little bit of fun with it. Getting started, what you're going to do is go to your YouTube channel. Now, I'm doing this all on a phone, and I've got it in the horizontal position sideways so that you can see exactly what I'm doing, but it works just the same if you are in the vertical portrait mode on your phone. Go down to the bottom right corner, and you're going to hit on the little U icon. It's going to take you to the screen right here, and you go to your channel. From here, you're going to hit that little 3-dot menu in the top right-hand corner, and if you're anything like me, you have probably done this 1,000 times to share the URL of your channel. But if you look just below that, there is an option to create a custom QR code for your channel right there. I know, I felt the exact same way. But I'm not done yet. You see, this is a YouTube tool, and guess what? YouTube is owned by Google. So if you open the Google Chrome browser on your phone, you can do the exact same thing. Hit this little menu right here, scroll down to where it says share, and there you have it, a custom QR code for any website. So if you want to promote your social media or your Discord server or whatever the case may be, it's available for you right there. Now, I've got a pro tip for you. This is a tactic that I have used in the past, and it is one of the best ways of using this custom QR code to promote your channel or website or whatever it is. You want to use this as the lock screen on your phone. If you are out in public anywhere filming or doing whatever it is you need to do, and you need to share your channel on the go, all you got to do is turn it on your phone and they can scan it right off. It's faster and easier than even having a business card with the QR code on it. Hey, if this was valuable for you, please consider subscribing. I've got tons of information like this I'm going to be sharing on my channel. I would very much enjoy having you along with my journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.